Welcome to 5347 Berrien Avenue. This is a house tour and we're right now in front of the door and we're walking into the living room. So this is the living room and you see this couch. This is very, very comfortable, probably most comfortable couch that there is. And then the living room, the TV, the window, and another couch. And here's the door we just walked into. And this is the view of the living room. So pay attention, please, that we have cathedral ceilings. So you have very, very spacious open floor design. And the living room is connected to the dining room. Now, also there's this half wall, which I think is a very, very interesting design because on the one hand, it gives you a sense of space. On the other hand, you do feel like you're sitting in a separate dining room, and now I am walking to the dining room. So this is the dining room, and it is a view from here to the living room. You see this space, you see the walk-through to the front door, and this is the view of the dining room. The dining room goes straight into the huge French window, which means there's a door to the patio. So when you sit here and you have breakfast, you have a fantastic view of our backyard, and weather permitting, sometimes we have breakfast or dinner in the outside table. And this is the view of our backyard. It's very, very large, and it's also spacious and unobstructed view of the trees. Now, at the end of the trees is the line of the property, so it's quite spacious view. And this is the neighbor's house on one side, and the neighbor's house on the other side. So here's the dining room one more time with a view of the living room. I'm turning around and this is the view of the kitchen. So the kitchen is very convenient because you have countertops on both sides and you have a traditional stove, and in the back is the refrigerator, which is brand new. It's a couple months old. And you have the sink, you have the countertop, and the door. This door goes to the garage and the laundry. So this is the main setup over here. I'm going back to the living room. One more time, the view of the living room. And we're going now to the main bedroom or master bedroom. Also, you have cathedral ceiling, you have very spacious design, and then you have a huge walk-in closet over here, and there you have a private bathroom next to the master bedroom. So there's a shower and toilet, sink. All of that is adjacent to the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom has a huge window, and in the morning the sun comes right out there on this side, and you have a bed, side tables, tile floors throughout the house. And now we're going to the other side. Now, the floor design is that the bedrooms are on opposite sides, so you have a complete privacy in your master bedroom, and the kids or others stay in the other two bedrooms, which are one opposite the other. Here's one view, and here's another view. And right next to the two bedrooms is the bathroom. So we'll start with the bathroom. This is bathroom number 2. And here you have a sink. And you have shower, sink, etc. And now we're going to the second bedroom. We have a queen size bed, wooden bed, which is called a sledge type. And again, a huge window, which of course has also a very nice view to the little park on the other side of our street. So this is the view of the bedroom. One more time. Very cozy, very spacious second bedroom, not just a little bit smaller than the master bedroom. Now right opposite that is the third bedroom. It has a smaller window, but it is very quiet because it faces the back. And as you can see, the green grass and the trees. And that is the view from the third bedroom. We have a smaller bed here, presumably for a child, but it's a single bed. And we also have a roll-out mattress in case you need to put two people in this bedroom. It also has a very nice closet, same type of closet in the other bedroom. So this is a view of the living room one more time from this direction, the entrance door, the way to the master bedroom, the sofa, and the pathway to the dining room and the kitchen. So this is our house. You could look at the pictures one more time. Thank you.